Hi guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, I want to talk about what are the important topics for data science that you should study, that you should prepare if you are starting your data science journey right now. So there are two types of people. Either you are trying to study data science in college itself, or either you are trying to get in data science after your current job. So let's take this topic to be serious, and let's see what are those topics that is needed to be studied. And those topics are actually asked a lot of times when you are trying to get into data science industry. So let's this video started. So first of all, the most important topic is the basic statistics. So you can't imagine data science without statistics. So data science actually have a lot of statistics topics, probability based theorem, mean median mode, random variable, skewness, kurtosis. These all topics are important. And if I talk about the questions, like what are the types of questions that is asked from these topics. So from probability and these type of topics, a lot of puzzles can be asked, a lot of numerical questions or based on the base theorems can be asked, a lot of different types of correlations, covariance questions can be asked also. And a lot of times these questions can be based on the real life application. So maybe other questions can be like, what is the difference between correlation and covariance and something like that. Studying these topics, just try to study these topics well, and obviously know the formula itself, know the practical application itself, and know the other things that is related to this type of concept. The second important thing is about the statistical distribution. So if I talk about the statistical distribution, popular distributions are binomial, Poisson, geometric, exponential, normal, uniform, gamma, and beta distribution. And when you are trying to study the distributions, just try to do one thing. Just try to read the PDA, PMF of the distributions, and along with that, try to study the real life application of the distribution. If we talk about the binomial distribution, so what can be the next step related to the binomial distribution? So the next thing can be, like real life questions can be asked based on how binomial distributions actually come into existence, how Poisson distributions come into existence, how what is the real life application of Poisson distribution, some questions like that. So whenever you are studying about distributions, theoretical derivations are not asked, but yeah, these type of questions can be there. If I talk about the hypothesis testing, then t-test, EPSIS, chi-square test, ANOVA, these are the popular hypothesis testing questions that can be there in the data science interview. And obviously, what were the topics I've listed? If you prepare good notes of these topics, this will help you to get into data science right now. And obviously, till the next time when you are trying to get into data science, it will also help you at that time also. So just make the notes and keep these notes with you forever. The second next important thing is machine learning algorithms. So I don't know, like a lot of people do a lot of online courses about these machine learning algorithms, regression logistic, KNN, SVM. But the important thing is that you have to read the theory of these algorithms, and the best book is ISLR. Obviously, I've been continuously telling about the best book to learn the machine learning algorithms, ISLR. And the way you should learn the algorithms is that you should able to explain the functionality of these algorithms in the simple term. So that is what they ask. Obviously code is the important, but obviously you should understand the basic understanding of this algorithm, the mathematics of this algorithm. Then the popular data science concept, bias, instead of precision recall, these concepts are too much popular, and these concepts are generally asked, like in data science interview. So these are common to all the interview. So, like the best way to study this type of things is to search on the Google. The name, just search on the Google the name, bias instead of get a article. You will get the article on a particular topic, and then try to study those topics and make a good notes of these things. Okay. So then the next stage is SQL concept. So SQL concept, may you will study the basic of the SQLs like joins, constraint, primary key. Then the queries, basically queries and joins, like how to do queries using the different types of joins. And these type of questions are there in the SQL data engineering or other types of interview. And obviously you should have a good understanding of data structure concept, obviously array, linked list, stack, queue. And these things will help you to understand better the other things related to the data structure concept, like obviously in the data science interview a lot of coding questions can be asked, so these questions can be there. And the programming concepts are like a list, tuple, dictionary, set, loop, and function. So these type of programming concepts you should know. Obviously if you follow any programming language, this type of concept are necessary. So these questions, these the topics that I've told you, obviously I will give the video to this slide in the description box, and you can obviously keep these things with you always. It's not like when you have the exact topic to what to study, just don't deviate from the path. Try to study these topics repeatedly, just make a better concept, better understanding of these topics, and try to make a good resume based on these things by doing different type of projects on these type of things. So that's all for this video, nothing fancy, just keep these things in mind. Obviously these will allow you to consider any types of interview. It's not like one data science, data engineer, business analyst, machine learning engineer, AI engineer. All these things are there. So just try to study these things well, have the good understanding of the concept, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.